A healthy meal does not have to taste bland.
I hear that. A South Florida chef proves this with a vegan dish. Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Louis Grayson, serving up Southeast Asian cuisine at Eat District in Boca Raton.
I think Asian cuisine has this misconception that it's always got to be comfort food and somewhat non-healthy or fried. But over here at our concept at Eat District, it is everything healthy. When they come, they are looking for something quick, casual, and then something very healthy and packed on with a lot of flavors.
Eat District offers a range of bowls you can build with a selection of proteins and vegetables. You can also order up some of your favorite appetizers like bao buns, dumplings, and even chicken wings. Eat District offers organic, gluten-free, and vegan-style options, so stop by and check out the dish we're making today, Vegan Thai Red Curry. This is a one-pot meal, so start by heating up olive oil and red curry paste.
What we want to do is now mix everything in so the aroma of the curry comes out into the pot.
Coconut milk comes next.
What you're looking for, you're not trying to bring it to a boil, but more of to a simmer.
Now pour in water, then add palm sugar.
So now we're looking to melt the palm sugar in.
Chef follows with soy sauce, sea salt, and tofu.
Cut it up into block cubes or however you like it.
If you don't like tofu, you can substitute with sweet potatoes, shrimp, even chicken. Finish the curry with red peppers, cauliflower, and basil.
So this will give it the freshness and the herbs flavor at the very end.
Let this simmer for a few minutes, and then you are ready to serve.
Hi everyone, welcome to Eat District, part of the Urban Belly Restaurant Group. Today we have our vegan organic tofu red curry. I hope you guys enjoy.
Here's your chance to create your own version of Eat District's Thai red curry. Grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see on your screen. It'll take you right to the recipe.
Yum.
Looks really good, right?
Does look good.